Improving efficiencies at every level of your business is one of the core aspects behind EMDECS. One of the most successful ways we do this is through providing insightful exports and reports assembled from the various data you input into the system. EMDECS has once again expanded its tracking and reports functionality. By navigating to the Campaign Manager screen under the internal and external campaign tabs, you'll find a new export button. This will export a list of just the remaining, the completed, or all of the units for a desired campaign. Leave no vehicles behind when it comes to warranty, general repair, or other specialty campaigns. Over on the Warehouse Manager screen, we've added an option under the Stock Replenishment tab. We've added this export button here, where the user can filter or export all of their stock replenishment preferences. For example, you can filter and see all the breaks to be handled, and simply hit Export to generate a list with all of the relevant information you and your team require. This is useful for operations that want to do mass review of their current replenishment settings and potentially do a mass update to the system. For more information or to book a free demo, visit brightorder.co.uk today.